Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to install VS Code on Kali Linux system. So to install a VS Code in a Kali Linux system we need to run a single command, and before doing that first of all we need to update the repositories. So type sudo apt update and you need to type your root password. So now after updating the system, we need to run a single command to install a VS Code. So for that type sudo apt install and type code-oss. So code-oss is an open source fork of VS Code without any proprietary code. It will start installing VS Code into your Kali system after providing the root password. So let me show you that. You just need to type Y so here we go. It may take a while depending upon your internet speed. So here we go, the installation process is done. Now to open the VS Code you just need to go to the swap application and search for VS Code, and you can see the VS Code here, and now you can choose your theme. So here we go, it is working perfectly fine. You can edit your code. So in this way you can install a VS Code. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll make this video if you like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you guys find my video informative. See you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.